Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Kauserwise and this is the continuation video of solving previous year university question paper, that is November 2022 Financial Management. In that we are seeing section B 5 mark questions and section C 10 mark questions. You can find the playlist link in the description box. Now in this video we are going to see calculation of cost of equity under cost of capital chapter. Now let's get into the video. See the problem. A company offers for public equity shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of 10%. Okay, this is the face value and issue price is at 10% premium. So 10 rupees plus 10% 1 rupee. So issue price is 11 rupees. Okay, the company pays 5% of the issue price as underwriting commission. So the company has to pay 5% underwriting commission on what? Issue price. So issue price is 10 plus 1. Okay, 11 rupees. So on 11 rupees, we need to calculate 5% underwriting commission. Okay. The rate of dividend expected by equity shares is 20%. Okay. The expected dividend is 20% on face value. So whatever may be the issue price, issue at par or issue at premium or issue at discount, the dividend will be payable only on face value. Okay. So how much dividend? 20% on 10 rupees. Okay. So you are required to calculate the cost of equity. Will your cost be different if the market value of equity share is 15 rupees? Okay. Now with this information, they're asking us to calculate cost of equity as well as they're asking us to calculate cost of equity if the market value of equity share is 15 rupees. Okay. We'll have two separate calculations. Now let's see the solution. See the solution. The first one is calculation of cost of equity. So what is the formula for cost of equity? KE is equal to D1 divided by NP into 100. So D1 stands for dividend. NP stands for net proceeds into 100. Okay. Now let's see the calculation working note for dividend as well as net proceeds. See the calculation. Working note 1, calculation of D1. So D1 stands for dividend, right? See the problem. The rate of dividend expected by equity shares is 20%. So 20% on what? Face value. The face value is 10 rupees each, no? So 20% on 10 rupees. See the calculation. 20% on 10 rupees, 2 rupees. So this is D1. Okay. So write 2 rupees. D1 divided by NP. So NP stands for what? Net proceeds. So how to calculate net proceeds? Face value 10 rupees plus premium 10%. No. See the problem. A company offers for public equity shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of 10%. Okay. So add 10% premium on face value. You will be getting 11 rupees. This is issue price. Now we need to subtract underwriting commission because in this problem they have given 5% underwriting commission. See the problem. The company pays 5% of issue price as underwriting commission. Okay. So we need to subtract underwriting commission 5% on issue price. So issue price how much? 11 rupees. No. So 5% on 11 rupees. You will be getting 0.55 pies. Now subtract this value from 11. You will be getting net proceeds as 10 rupees 45 pies. Okay. So this is net proceeds. Now substitute this value. 2 divided by NP. NP how much? 10 rupees 45 pies into 100. So 2 divided by 10.45 into 100. You will be getting 19.14%. Okay. This is cost of equity according to the first calculation. For the second one, they are asking us to calculate cost of equity. Will your cost be different if the market value of equity share is 15 rupees? Okay. So here they have given market price. So here instead of net proceeds, we are going to substitute market price in order to find out the cost of equity. That will be the second calculation. Okay. So cost of equity when the market price is 15 rupees. So what is the formula? KE, that is cost of equity, is equal to D1 divided by market price into 100. So what is D1? That is dividend, same value, 2 rupees. 2 divided by market price. So instead of net proceeds, we are going to substitute market price. Okay. So what is the market price? See the problem. If the market value of equity share is 15 rupees, so 15 into 100. So what is the answer? 13.33 percentage. So this is the cost of equity if the market price is 15 rupees. Okay. Yes, we are getting different answer if there is any changes in the market price. Okay. So this is the way to calculate cost of equity in two different scenario. Okay. Hope you like this video. Please hit the like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.